This is Pickle and Curly Fry. I don't know if that's a good combination food-wise, but hopefully dog-wise it's a good combo. Bless you. Bless you. Curly fries do taste good with cheese, so it's only appropriate. Hi. Just coexisting around each other. What if we go around this way? Good boy, Pickle. Just two sitting boys.
Two sitting food boobs.
Yes, Pickle and then Curly Fry. Curly Fry sees another shepherd and I think was like, oh, is that my sibling? There we go. Pickle and Curly Fry. Good. Good boy.
Good job, buddy.
Okay. Easy enough. What do you think, Pickle? Come on. Curly Fry, you just like other shepherds?